What's up guys, Brendan Hancock here with another episode of Groove Subaru today, and today we're going to talk about how to shift your Subaru vehicle into neutral if your battery is dead. So today we brought along a 2019 Subaru Crosstrek as our victim, so let's go hop inside. Asking yourself, why would someone need to do this? And there's a couple of different, reasons you may need to shift the vehicle into neutral. Like I said, your battery is dead, and that's the reason that we can't, just turn the car on here and shift it with the knob without doing a couple things here. So, for example, let's say you're in your garage, maybe you were out of town for a few months, your battery dies, and you don't have a jump box, so you maybe need to pull it out of your garage in order to park it next to your other vehicle so you can use your jumper cables. Maybe, you called a tow truck or AAA or roadside, and they tried jumping it, the battery's just too dead, so they need to put it onto a tow truck or something like that. There's a whole bunch of different reasons. So today we're going to show you how to shift it if the battery is completely dead. And it's very easy actually. And I said that we're in a 2019 Crosstrek here, but this is going to be true for a majority of Subarus. I know the Ascent is like this, the Impreza is like this, the Forester is like this. I mean, it looks a little bit different, but if you look and there's an empty piece of plastic up here by the shifter, that's probably it. Now, I do believe that the process is slightly different on the Legacies and Outback, so we'll do a video on that later. But today we're going to focus on this. So, first thing that I need, where we're going to look here is it's just above the P for park here. Now, depending on which Subaru vehicle, it might be a slightly different location, but it's a little probably about, centimeter size. And I'm going to pop that cap off, and I recommend using a flathead. It's much easier, less likely to scratch here. So I'll be very careful as not to scratch the plastic. And it pops off quite easily, you can see here. So just very small. I think it's a little bigger on the Ascent, the size of this, but it all works the same way. Now, I did try, so I'm going to put this over here for safety. I did try to use this screwdriver. This is the one that comes in the back of your vehicle with any Subaru that you get. It's just a simple screwdriver. You have a flathead on one side, a Phillips on the other. Very convenient to know that you have this in the vehicle. There's definitely a couple times where I've needed a screwdriver and I ran out to my car and used this one. So, but unfortunately, it's a little bit too short to use for this purpose. So luckily, this car comes with the crossbars. So I do have the little screwdriver thing that comes with that to adjust, the tension on that. So this is actually totally fine. This does work, and you can also use flathead, Phillips head, doesn't really matter too much, but it needs to be a decent length. I'd probably say at least 4 inches in order to fit down where you need it to go. So what we're going to do, very simple. I literally just stick this down. So all I do is just have the screwdriver in there, put my foot on the brake, bada bing, bada boom, and now I'm in neutral. It's just that easy. So you can shift through all the gears and stuff. Usually you're going to need to shift it into neutral in order to actually move the vehicle and stuff. But yeah, there you go. So hopefully you guys have found this video to be helpful. For more helpful videos like this, subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.